Precious metals are slammed due to great vaccine news. Quick disclaimer in case you haven't recognized, I'm not a financial advisor. And if you are taking financial advice from some random person on the internet wearing a helmet on their head, you've got bigger issues that I can't help you with. So we are seeing precious metals getting slammed due to the great vaccine news. And, this isn't a surprise. Many of us know who've been stacking precious metals for a long period of time. We know that when there are times of uncertainty, usually silver and gold being the safe haven for investors, typically, you'll see an uptick in prices and spot prices. But when there are times of certainty and stabilization, then you typically see the prices of precious metals drop. And that is what we are seeing right now. Right here, this is from yesterday, November 23rd. Gold prices end 1.8% lower Monday as vaccine progress slams precious metals. So we are seeing this occurring right now. Both Pfizer announced a couple weeks back that they had a vaccine that was 90% effective, and AstraZeneca now is also saying that they've got a vaccine that is also 90 to 95% effective. So these two pieces of news is starting to send precious metals in a downward spiral. Now, let's check out kitco.com. Kitco temporarily unavailable. That's unfortunate. Let's go to stackingstormtrooper.com. Shameless plug. I have a ticker on my website that is typically always working. And right now here we're seeing gold today is at 18.05 an ounce, dropping about 1.7%, same as yesterday. And silver, $23 and change, dropping about 40 cents at 1.6%. So this is a great opportunity for many of you that are looking to buy precious metals. Maybe right now would be an opportunity for you to get in. If you have been kind of sitting on the sidelines and waiting for the stabilization, now would be a good opportunity for you to buy more. With precious metals slammed due to great vaccine news, we are also seeing an uptick in the Dow Jones. Dow Jones hit a milestone today, breaking 30,000 for the first time in ever. So we are seeing consumer outlook starting to look in a better direction, and investors are a little bit more positive, right? Because we are seeing the different industries such as travel and hospitality, energy, all these different sectors have been hit in some fashion, entertainment, because of the COVID vaccine. And so now that these two drug makers have said that they have these vaccines that are very close to being perfect, then, these emergency use orders that they're looking to get should possibly get these into the arms of people within our country over the next, month or so. So being that this is now a reality, and now that we are seeing the possibility of vaccines getting into the arms of Americans and people across the world, we are starting to see these, very positive things happen. And because of it, though, we are seeing a drop in the silver and gold prices. And, a lot of people within the stacking community, they look to these moments as being opportunities to buy precious metals. And for me personally, I think that right now is a perfect opportunity to be buying precious metals. So because precious metals slammed due to great vaccine news, should you be buying silver and gold right now? It is my belief that it is very challenging to time everything just right, where you are buying at the lowest of the lows and you're selling at the highest of the highs. That being said, personally, I am always in a buying mode. Yes, I do sell some of my stack on the side, but that's just a business. I do that on the side separate from everything else, where I'm always buying and selling. But for my own personal stack, I'm always accumulating silver and gold, because I strongly believe that, number one, these provide a great way to save money. I'm a lot more disciplined when I am buying silver and gold than I would be if I were just putting everything into a regular savings account. The other thing, too, is that, again, going off of my initial statement that it's very hard to time everything just right. If you are buying all along, both at the highs and the lows, eventually it is my belief that it will kind of level out for you. And I know some people are going to say that that's ridiculous, but that, again, is just my own philosophy when it comes to buying precious metals. Look, I've been buying precious metals for at least, I want to say 15 years now. And I bought gold back in the mid-2000s. You've heard me talk about this. It wasn't very much. It was only 4 ounces, but I bought it when it was around $1,000 an ounce, $980 an ounce. Here we are. It's, almost doubled in price. But again, I still have it. My money is still there. If I need to sell it to free up some cash for something, it's there. So it's fine for me anyway if I'm buying on the highs and the lows, because eventually it kind of just levels out, and it's a way for me to store my money and save my wealth. For all of you looking to time everything just right, now would be a dip. Right now would be a visible dip. It probably will continue for a little bit longer, because right now what you're seeing, like I said earlier in the video, is that the Dow Jones has now just hit this new milestone, breaking 30,000. And because of that, because of investors being bullish on the stock market, you're going to see silver and gold drop in price. And because you're going to see the potential stabilization of life as we know it with these possible vaccines, you are going to see consumer spending increase, right? Positive outlook on everything. You're going to see silver and gold drop. But being that this is right now the beginning of this drop, it might be a good opportunity for you to buy it right now, because there could be some unforeseen scenario in which something will occur and silver and gold will then shoot back up. So right now, take this as a buying opportunity, but keep in mind this, and I've said this before, in order for you to take advantage of these buying opportunities, and for all of you to back the truck up, as some of you say, these dips, right? These dips that happen abruptly, a lot of times precious metals dealers and coin shops and people in that realm will typically not sell their silver and gold much lower than they have been. They need to be able to buy their supply at a lower price in order to sell you that precious metal at a lower price. So right now, being that we saw this very steep drop in precious metals prices, they're not going to really be that eager to sell you some of the precious metals. So right now we're going to see a lot of these advertised Black Friday deals. And I know that, some are offering some discounts, but they're, very minimal. And, there's other stipulations that come attached to those things, right? You're going to have to buy a special set of coins, or you're going to have to spend a certain amount of money in order to take advantage of that. So keep that in mind when you're buying your precious metals. But right now, I would say, because precious metals are slammed due to the great vaccine news, I would say right now would be a good opportunity for you to buy silver and gold. And I want you to comment down below, are you going to see precious metals drop even further? What are your thoughts? What's going to happen? Comment down below. Let us know. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.